welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You are highly welcome. Welcome back to the channel, all my amazing subscribers. Okay, my name is Sophia. So I want to actually start introducing myself properly because of too many questions. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. I'm a Nigerian. Okay, I'm not a South African. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in United Kingdom, London City, capital of United Kingdom. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. We have our weekly, monthly African grocery haul on the table. You can see it already. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I bought and I'll tell you guys the price of every item. Okay, stay tuned, don't click off, enjoy watching. Okay, my amazing subscribers, so this is everything on the table. I already have some African food in the freezer that I brought from Nigeria recently, but I forgot to make a video about it, which is just ridiculously. I don't even understand how I forgot. I don't know if I should show you guys. Maybe I should bring it out to the freezer. No, these ones I bought them here. Those ones are from Nigeria. When I was unboxing them, I would have unboxed with you guys, but for some weird reasons, it was after I finished unboxing them, putting them in the freezer, before I remembered. Anyway, yeah guys, so these are the ones I bought here, so there's no point mixing them together. Okay, yeah, so these are everything on the table. Not a lot because I already have some in my pantry over there. Okay, it's only mainly my husband and my husband and myself, and just one my daughters, really not that they eat that much, but let's just say my two daughters. My sons, they don't like African food, so it's mainly me and my husband. That's why they tend to stay very long. Okay, but my daughters, yes, they like the soup, the meat, of course, the turkey and all that. So guys, yeah, so this is everything on the table. I spent £124.23. Not sure it's focusing. My hands are a bit white because I just washed it. Okay, so everything here is, that's why I said weekly stroke monthly or monthly stroke weekly. Okay, so let's start from the yam. So the yam is 2 for £5. Okay, you can see they are not very big yam, they are very small yam. This is the receipt. See, the yam is practically length of the receipt, as you can see. Yeah, just a little longer than the receipt. They are not very big, they are small yam. Anyway, that's UK for you. And sometimes your prayer will be that they are not even spoiled inside. I didn't even pinch, I forgot to pinch it. I'm just trying to pinch it now and it's too hard. Okay, looks good. Okay, so the yams are £5. They have the one for 2 for £6 and so on. So this is a 2 for £5. It's not too bad, well, of course this one, it won't last long. By the time I cook one today, cook one the next day, that's the end of it. Okay, and then we got our rice, which normally stay for quite a while. Yeah, in UK it's mainly 10 kilo rice most people buy because the rice is not that cheap. Okay, this rice is £18.99. okay, it's 10 kilo. That's what a lot of people tend to buy. Some people buy 20 kilo, but the majority of people tend to buy the 10 kilo, like me. So when it's finishing, I'll just go and buy another one. Again, this is the rice I eat. I've been eating this rice for donkey years now. I won't say donkey years, but for a very long time. Okay, the rice is £18.99. It's basmati rice. It's I don't even know if it's long green, but anyhow, it's basmati rice. Okay, golden basmati. See, Stella rice. Okay, it's very nice for jollof rice. It's also nice when you boil it as well. So yeah, so that's the rice. The next item is my plantain chips. You guys know I like plantain chips. So this is the latest one that I like buying. Instead of buying those small ones, I just buy this big thing. It's £4.39 now. It was £3.99 before, but it's £4.39 now. So you eat when you are tired, you close it. You can take a week or so to finish. Okay, that is £4.39. And then moving along, we have our hot flour, which we don't eat every time. Still got a bit of it, but it's running out. This hot flour you are seeing here is 4 kg. It might stay more than 2 months, this thing you are seeing here, because we don't eat it every time. Okay, it's proper hot. It's actually your proper raw hot. Okay, yeah, there's nothing mixed in it. It's just hot at the blend. As you can see, the price there is $8.99. It's 4 kilo. I bought just one. Okay, and then we have our banga palm nut soup base. This is the base concentrate. This is the one I like buying. Okay, this is the one I like buying. It's £3.49. Okay, I always buy 2 because I cook 2. So it's plenty, it's enough. Okay, if you don't buy, if you're like just yourself, if you just yourself, then one is fine. But if there is multiple of you, like myself, my husband, my daughters, I said they do eat banga soup. They like when I cook it and I make the eba for them myself. If you tell them to go and make eba, it's only Precious who can try and make eba. Jiro can't, he doesn't know how to make eba, but Precious is trying. But if I make the eba for them, they will eat it very well. Okay, my sons forget it. They will eat. So yeah, it's £3.49 for one. I bought 2 of them. Okay, because I'm going to cook banga soup. Normally it stays longer when I cook banga soup. It's in the freezer. Okay, so it stays a bit for a while because I don't cook only banga soup. I'll cook things like stew. Sometimes I also cook okra soup as well. So we just interchange. So we are not eating only the banga soup. So make it stay for a week or sometimes a week plus. Okay, moving along, we have our curry. This curry, I can't even find the exact price. It's like I just wrote some things there. I don't even know the exact price of this curry, but I'm guessing it's £3 something, or £2.40. Okay, I think it's £2.40. I don't even know, but I suspect it's £2 something. So this curry is 4. I bought 4 of them. I like them, they smell really nice. Okay, these are the curry I normally use anyway. Yeah, I normally pour it in my little container, so you won't know the name, because I always pour it in my little container. So most people don't realize this is what I'm using, but that's what I use every time I'm cooking and I put curry. This is the curry I'm actually putting in the soup. I think the 4 is £2.40. I think so. The problem is that they don't write the name of the item when you go to the Caribbean or all these our Bangladeshis that says Nigeria African food. They don't write the name of the item. Can you see? Everything is the same. So you just give you the total and you have to work it out yourself. What price is what price? But I think the curry is the £2.40. I actually think the curry is the £2.40. Okay. So moving along, we have our Indomie. Okay, before the Indomie, let me show you guys this one. I don't even know what is £3.49. Oh, it's the plantain chips. Oh, this plantain chips, did it times me twice? The plantain chips, it's like as if the plantain chips, it's like the guy no, it's not the plantain chips. So what is £3 something? I don't even know what is £3.49. What is £3.49? I have no idea. Times 2. I don't even know. See these people? Or maybe they try to correct. Sometimes you have to check these things. I don't even know the price of this thing. I don't know if this thing is the £3.49, but I can see £6.98 there. Something else again, £4.39. I don't know. Oh, okay, I know what it is. £3.49, this one. So this is £3.49. If not, I'm just going to go back and query them to refund my money. Yeah, that's £3.49. Okay. And then the plantain chips is £4.39, which is this one. You know, because we don't really look. And then I got this crayfish stock powder cube, which is £5.49. Okay, yes, £5.49 crayfish powder stock powder. And then we have $8.99. $8.99 is the peppers, I think. Yes, the peppers, I think. I'm not even sure. Okay, I think I know what it is now. So the peppers actually supposed to be £10. The pepper is supposed to be £10, but they put $8.99 here. So I feel they must have added the £1 to something else. So this pepper comes in a box. Okay, this is attache pepper. They comes in a box. So they pack it out of the box. The box is £10. So I got 2 of the bag. They are very big, fresh. See? Sometimes I buy the round one as well, but today I decided to buy the long one. So this is a box you are seeing. This 2 bag is 1 box, which is supposed to be £10. But over here they put as $8.99. So I think they made a mistake and corrected the mistake with something else. Okay, but anyways, £10. And then we have our Indomie chicken and onion flavor. Just one box I bought today. It's $11.99. Okay, $11.99, just 1 box. And then the rice is $18.99. Okay, the rice is $18.99. Okay, the yam. Okay, so the yam is I think the yam is the £6.98 because the no, it's not the yam. Let me see what is £6. So that one is £15. 24. The £24 is the £24 is the turkey. It's a box. I bought a box. That's why I got 2 bags. So the box of turkey is £24 for the box of turkey. £24. And then I got this beef meat, £26. Okay, I got this beef meat, £26. Okay, so what I think has happened here, they've calculated the yam. The yam is £5 plus the $8.99, giving me £15, because I was wondering where the £15 is from. So the oat and the yam together is £15. And then this curry sauce. Now I know the curry powder, not curry sauce. Sorry guys. The curry powder is £2.40 for the 4. That is the only thing that is left. So the curry powder is £2.40. Okay. So yeah guys, that's everything I bought on my African grocery weekly monthly African food. Okay, yeah, I was going to buy ugu and green, but the ugu, it wasn't looking like ugu in my eyes. It was not ugu in, so I have to leave it. The green was okay, it was greening, but the ugu was like half awake and half dead. I was like, I beg, let me go and eat my bitter leaf, my dry bitter leaf. I will just wash it and boil it, and it will back to itself. So, and then I add it with spinach. That is it. Yeah, guys. So instead of me to go and eat ugu that is looking like half dead and half alive, you know. So everything cost me £124.23. Okay. Yeah. So that's everything. You guys can see that African food is not cheap. It's not cheap in UK. You guys can say I didn't buy fish, because the fish, the price are always outrageous. The dry fish, the price are always outrageous. That's why I don't buy dry fish. I just cook with what I can. Although I got fish coming from Nigeria, so hopefully when I receive them, I'll show you guys if they haven't spoiled, because it's been a month since those things were cargo and I have not received it. I don't know. Let's just hope that they are not spoiled. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching my mini African grocery food haul. The peppers are giving. They are giving. Okay, yeah guys, that's it. That's smoked turkey for you guys. Some fresh beef. This beef is £26, so it does not look like £26 at all. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you for your support. Ciao ciao. Bye bye.